Listening, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
What's our last class?
Nutritional program, ma'am.
Nutritional
Nutritional program in India.
nutritional programs in India.
Yes, ma'am.
What programs we discussed?
ICDS
National Nutritional Anemia Prophylaxis Program complete, ma'am.
Anemia prophylaxis completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, all of you on video. All waste fellows of India. All I will put absent. Then you will realize. Okay. Again started. So ICDS is over, midday meal program over, special nutritional program, wheat-based program, applied nutrition over, Balwadi over. Okay, national nutritional anemia prophylaxis program also over. Na? Okay, today we will discuss about prevention of blindness due to the vitamin A deficiency. So all of you know that for the improving of good vision, we have to take the vitamin A food contents. Correct, no? So
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
because of the deficiency of vitamin A, people are going to suffering with the blindness. Blindness means all of you know, na, there is no vision for them. Okay. So it is estimating that 12 to 12.5 million people are peoples are going to suffering with this blind in India. And here 80% of people are going to having the blindness due to the cataract problem. Cataract means all of you know, na, there is a like a layer formation. If you see in your home, old age people are there, no? So by the growing of age and all, in the eye, if you are observing, they are having some layer in the eye. Correct, no? So all time they will complain that some layer is there in my eye, so that's why I can't able to see. Correct, no? So that is, we can tell it's a cataract. Okay, so because of that cataract, many people are going to suffering with the blindness. So that's why in the 1976, this India and the government of India is going to release this program, National Blindness Control Program. Understood now? So what is the main aim of this program is here? They are going to preventing the blindness. So due to vitamin A deficiency, because of the lackage of vitamin deficiency, people who are getting this blindness, so they are going to preventing that blindness for the people who are going to suffering. So that is the main aim of this National Blindness Control Program. Clear now, all of you?
Yes.
So here what they will do means they will be focused mainly on the children. So from the child age itself, people are getting blindness because of the vitamin A deficiency. Okay, so that reason we are that main this program is going to started with the children only less than the 5 years. They are going to administer the vitamin A contents for the people under the 5 years of the children. So once we are providing them good nutritious vitamin A foods and all means they will be improve the good vision. Correct, no?
Yes, ma'am.
And every 6 months once they are going to administer the vitamin A injections also will be available medications. So every 6 months they are going to giving this vitamin A for the people under the 5 age group of the children. And here, so means there is a highest prevalence rate, means highly we are going to preventing this blindness above the highly we can be prevent this blindness below the people who are having 3 years. So if you see under the 3 years children, for them easily we can be prevent this blindness by the giving of good vitamin A food contents and vitamin A treatment. Understood now all of you? So this vitamin A also we are giving from the birth onwards we are giving. At the 5 years age we can be start with this vitamin A, okay, not for the birth, okay. BCG we are giving birth. So at the fifth year we can be start this vitamin A for the children, and 9 doses we are giving this orally we are giving for them. 9 doses we are going to giving this vitamin A for the people from the 5 years. Understood? So by that 9 doses we can be control them blindness, especially in the children. Clear now all of you?
Yes,
And the main benefit we can be see in the below 5 years age of the children only. And what is the main objectives of this blindness control program is we are going to preventing the blindness due to people who are suffering with the vitamin A problem, and we can be supplement the vitamin A food contents for them, and below the 5 years age group people, for them we are giving mainly, and along with that we are going to giving some eye care services for them. So because people who are already suffered with this means vitamin A deficiencies, especially this cataract, glaucoma, some eye disorders, blindness disorders will come, okay. So for that also we can be provide the good care who are already suffering with the eye diseases or eye abnormalities, okay. So like that we are going to preventing eye diseases also for the controlling of the blindness. That is about a blindness control program. So next is iodine deficiency disorder control program. So all of you know that iodine, it will be through salt only you are going to taking. It will be maintain thyroid function properly. Yes, no? So if you are not consuming properly iodine, there is a disease is going to occurring, that is a goiter. Yes, no?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And averagely, normally for the human growth and development, daily we have to take 100 to 150 micrograms of iodine we have to take, okay. So if we are taking below that 100 micrograms, people going to suffering with the deficiency of iodine. So that is we can be tell as goiter or some others. Abortions also will be takes place. People who are having pregnancy, if they are not taking proper iodine, it will be occur that abortions also will be there. And cretinism, it's a psychological problems are there. Mental retardation means mentally they will not fit. So mental retardation also will become, and deaf it will come for them. Okay, so like that squint eye, you know what is squint eye, you know? Eye abnormality. Some people will get squint eye by born itself only. If they are seeing some side means we will think they are looking the other side. Squint eye. Yes, no? The eyeball, whatever is there in inside, it will be have misplacement. If they are looking you people means you will think that they are looking somewhere. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Squint eye. So that also it will become because of iodine lack only. Okay. So moreover, 71 million people are going to suffering with the goiter and iodine deficiency disorders. So here, that's why this government has given this program, National Iodine Deficiency Disorder Control Program, and it will be released in the year of 1962. 100% they are going to focusing people for the controlling of this iodine deficiency disorders, especially goiter. So, and first of all, before controlling that all the things, what they will do means they will do survey. Means how many people are going to taking this iodized salt and how many people are not taking salt properly. Some people will take low iodized salt, means low nutrient salt. Okay. So like that they will be do the survey, and after that they will be estimate that how many people are going to suffering with iodine deficiency disorders. So for that people only they are going to targeting, and the targeted people especially they are going to giving the iodine supplementations. Understood now? And along with that, there is health education for them, how much grams they need to take daily, how they have to maintain. So everything they will be explained. And along with that, it will be how the government of India, it will be renamed. Means before and all, it is their iodine deficiency disorder program. But in the 1992, they changed the name of that program, that is goiter control program, because most of the people are going to suffering with the goiter only. Correct? No, because of iodine deficiency. So they changed the name of goiter control program. Clear now, all of you? And the main objective of this goiter control, they are going to finding the diseases people who are having this goiter, and along with that, for that particular people, they will be they will be supplied iodized salt, okay, instead of that common salt. Okay, common salt using means it will not contain iodine. Iodized salt only is going to have in the containing iodine. So that's why iodized salt they are going to supplying, and always they are going to analyzing that what salt they are taking and how they are going to maintaining. Okay, and along with that, they are going to measuring that daily how much of salt the iodized means iodine they are taking. Understood? And because of that low intake of iodine, how many people are going to suffering? So that all the things they will be fine. That is we can tell as the objective. And next we can go for Tamil Nadu Integrated Nutrition Program. So this Tamil Nadu Integrated Nutrition Program was started in 1980, and they are going to targeting especially 6 to 36 months old children. Means from 6 to 36 months of the children who are there, for them, and pregnant mothers and lactating women, they are going to targeting especially in this Tamil Nadu Integrated Nutritional Program. Understood now? From 6 to 36 months means 6 to 3 years. Okay, so that people they are going to targeting more here. So what is the main objective? Why they are performing this program means they are going to reducing malnutrition. So people who are suffering with the malnutrition, that malnutrition with the protein and all, they are going to giving the a treatment for them for the controlling of that malnutrition for the children and under the age group of 4 years children also. And along with that, because of that providing of treatment, we can be control the death rate. That is, we can tell mortality. Okay, we are going to reducing the death rate, and the morbidity also we are reducing. That is, we can tell disease rate. Okay. So along with that, we are going to providing vitamin E supplementations who are having the vitamin E deficiencies under the 5 years. And along with that, means if the people are having, if the pregnant woman is having any of the problems means, that also we are going to controlling by this Tamil Nadu Integrated Nutritional Program. And what are the major components here means, so nutritional services, health services, communication, and monitoring and evaluation. So what components we are using here for this project, Tamil Nadu Integrated Program? Nutritional services means we are going to focusing especially on the nutrition, people who are having protein energy malnutrition. So for them, they are going to giving the good supplementation of nutritious food. So by that, they can be maintain the good health. And along with that, health services they are giving for the improving of health. And they are going to communicating with the people who are there in the rural areas mainly. So for them, they are communicating and they are knowing the problems of particular rural area people, and they are providing that particular treatment for them. And after that providing treatment also, they will be monitoring, observing that people, if they are going to recovery that particular problem means, it will be have the good evaluation. Otherwise, they will be sent to the referral services. So this is the components are there. What is the main goal of this program means, they are going to increase the proportion of the children by the normal nutrition. This means that they are going to implementing that every children and every people are should be in a good health condition. So we are going to controlling that nutritional problems in the children. That is the main aim of this project. Understood now? And along with that, we can be reduce the death rate of the children, and we can be decrease the disease rate of the children. That diseases, especially nutritional diseases, it will be protein energy malnutrition or low birth weight. So like that. Okay. So these all the things they are going to targeting more. So next is the Antyodaya Anna Yojana program. So what is Antyodaya Anna Yojana program means? So this was launched in the December 2000, and 1 crore of the poorest means who are their poorest families and poor people, for them they are going to providing this this program, that is Antyodaya Anna Yojana program. So what is the main goal of this program means here? So people who are their poor families, poor people. So for them, they are going to targeting that poor families and poor people, and they are going to giving good grains. Grains, you know, na? like cereals and pulses, whole grains. Okay, so which will be useful for cooking. You know, not cooking, wheat, basic grains and basic food items. Okay, so that they are going to rice, you know, na? Don't
Yes,
know rice
ma'am.
also. Basic food items which cooking means measurable for cooking. So that all the things they are going to targeting these poor families and poor people. For them, they are going to giving free of cost of these all the grains to the people. Understood now? So if you see one family per month, they are going to giving the 25 kg of rice. Understood? So like that, they started to give the Antyodaya Anna Yojana program for the poor people. Understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So like that, so not only basic requirement of food for them and that poor family who are there, for them they are going to giving some of the means future purpose of works and all, means for earning, for the earning of economical status and all, they are going to giving some agriculturals and some lands they are giving and some seeds they are giving for the cultivation. Understood? Our farmers are there means for them they are giving these seeds for the cultivation and all, or otherwise some these animals they are giving, you know, now ox, buffalo, for that also in rural area they are growing, no? So with that whatever milk is coming, that milk they are going to selling and surviving. So like that, for the survival of their life and all, some minimum basic things and all they are going to providing. Understood now? So that we can be tell as household activities. Okay, so for the maintenance of that household activities and all, they are going to providing some minimum basic things and all. If a widow is there, widow means, you know, who lost husband, widows.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and who are terminally ill persons means they can't able to their activities also, they are terminally ill people. Okay, so or otherwise people who are having more than 60-year age, or any single woman is there, or any single man is there, there is no family for them means, so what they are doing, this program is going to giving all the benefits for them for the survival of their life. Understood? And along with that, they are going to providing all the household methods, people who are staying in the tribal area, means in the jungle area and all, and in the slum areas and all, people are there, no? The tribal people also, they are going to giving this program. Okay, and other programs we will see, that is emergency feeding program. This was launched in the year of 2011. Actually it is introduced in 2000 means 11. Understanding, it started and introduced in 2001 in Orissa, but it will be implemented in the 2011. Understood, no? And what is the main aim of this feeding program is, they are going to providing food for the old age people. You know now, destitute people, orphans people and old age people are there, no? So for them, they are going to giving free feeding of the food for them. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
And next is a national water supply sanitization program. So all of you know that water supply and sanitation means it's going to launch in the year of 1954. So what is the main aim of this program is, they are going to providing good safe water for them and adequate drainages. Means near of house any open drainage system is there means, so they are going to recovering that drainage systems and all in the urban area and all rural area also. Okay, they are going to providing good sanitization and good purified water supply for the people. Okay, next is minimum needs program. Minimum needs program is launched in year of 1974. What is the main objective here for the minimum need program is, so they are going to providing basic minimum things, means for the living standards. So everyone want to live means they need water in family, yes na, and they need these food grains and they need some of vegetable to cook and eat. Correct, no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
like that, for the family and for the people who are there, for that fulfilling of minimum needs about that people, they are going to launch this program, minimum needs program. So they are going to giving good water supply for them, good electricity and good means food items for them. Understood? To improve the household activities. Clear, all of you? So like that in the village area and slum areas and urban slum areas also they are going to giving this program. So this is about the programs. All of you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So by this programs are finished. Tomorrow we will see national nutritional policy. That is we will see tomorrow. Okay. Any doubts are there?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Arnab, what you are doing?
Nothing, ma'am.
What, Samiran? These many days later you attend my class. You are not attending, no, daily my class.
No, ma'am.
Samiran, I
Daily attending
yeah.
in your
Tofik,
class.
and Sanju, I didn't see him. Arpan nowadays
No.
not at all coming class. And still,
No, ma'am. Video and audio on.
huh?
I'm attending class, but no video and off. Always video and audio off.
Off. Why? Sleeping, huh?
No, ma'am.
See, once Aditi Rai will come means Abantika Rai will not come. Abantika will come means Aditi will not come.
Yes, ma'am. Aditi Roy,
You are
come,
same,
ma'am.
na?
Uh-huh.
You are same, na?
Ma'am.
What, Pintu?
Mute, not
What, ma'am?
Kuch nahi.
ma'am.
Ah.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Aditi Roy, come.
Ma, you mute, ma. Huh. Ramesh Kumar. No Ramesh Kumar. Arnab, what you are doing? Wantedly you are doing. Everyone
Preparation
wants to
for-
see.
Preparation for exam, ma'am.
Everyone want to hear, Arnab, what you are doing in your home?
What, ma'am?
Why you playing songs?
I'm having phone call.
Uh-huh. You went home means you have to mute, sir. Whatever you are listening songs that no, don't make them to hear everyone. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Not okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
It is okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then Pinto, any doubts? What you are looking every time?
Nothing, ma'am.
All time you are giving like that all the expressions, everyone will capture that all. Then you will be happy, no?
What can I do, ma'am? They are take a screenshot and
Number of
And,
versions are come. How much you are becoming popular now?
only my friend that are doing, all my friends.
But you are becoming very much popular. Seriously.
No need, ma'am. No need popular. I'm a common man.
Common in common only different manner. It's okay. I think all of you understood now programs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Tata all of you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Tata.
Bye bye.